Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome. I am Mira Mushtaq. I am an educator and a lifelong learner and a strong believer in a purposeful education. Thank you for joining me today for this live session and for this important review session. Today I am live with my virtual studio and the review room. So, in this session, we are live on Facebook and LinkedIn, and we will reflect on a powerful TED talk titled The Broken Promise of Education that is delivered by Michael Treza. This talk challenges us to rethink how we are educating our children in a world that is changing faster than ever before. As an educator, as a parent, and a learner, we often focus on grades, routines, and systems. But this talk invites us to pause and ask deeper questions. Are we preparing our children for exam or for life? Are we teaching information or developing thinking? So, my goal today is not just to review a video or a TED talk, but to create a meaningful conversation around education, critical thinking, curiosity, and the future skills our children truly need. I hope this discussion encourage reflection, awareness, and small but powerful shifts in how we view learning. So, thank you very much for being part of this session. Let's begin this journey of thought and reflection together. Before going to review the TED Talk, I want to introduce you people with the speaker of this TED Talk. I made a list about the biography of the speaker, so I am sharing the points uh, about the life of the speaker. Michael Treza is a technology entrepreneur. He is a CEO and a thought leader with more than 20 years of experience in building and leading innovative ventures. Unlike many traditional technology leaders, his formal education is in fine art and painting, which gives him a creative and a human centered perspective on work, learning, and life. His professional journey sits at the intersection of technology, psychology, art, nature, and music. This diverse background has shaped his belief that the true success is not only about technical skills or financial achievement, but about purpose, awareness, and meaningful impact. After becoming a father, he turned he reached at a turning point in his life that led him to deeply question whether traditional education systems are truly preparing children for a rapidly changing technology driven world. Through this personal realization, he discovered his why and he began focusing on the future of education and leadership. His mission is to inspire and engage people to become curious, capable, passionate, and purposeful, and globally aware. He advocates for education that develop critical thinking, creativity, and adaptability, skills essential for success in the modern world. So, through his TED Talk, through his work, through his leadership, Michael encourages individuals and communities to rethink education, embrace lifelong learning, and strive for balanced success in both personal and professional life. So, now we will discuss the key points which I noted or which I learned from his TED Talk. What he want to say to the audience. The first point is he is telling us the world is changing faster than ever before, mainly because of rapid technological growth. He says that ideas that once belonged to science fiction are now becoming part of everyday life, while innovation is moving very fast. Conscious leadership and deep thinking are not growing at the same time. Then he tell us a point that traditional education system are mostly designed for the past and the present, not for the future our children will face. Schools often focus on memorization, grades, and compliance rather than critical thinking, curiosity, and adaptability. As a result, children may succeed in exam but struggle in real world problem solving situations. The speaker believes this gap shows that the promise of education to prepare learner for life has been broken. His personal perspective is that he spent more than 20 years as a technology entrepreneur and CEO. His background in art, psychology, nature, music, and technology gives him a multi dimensional vision of learning. Becoming a father made him deeply question whether traditional education is enough for the next generation. So he realized that the children need more than information. They need purpose, they need awareness, and they need thinking skills, communication skills too. Key lesson which I learned from this TED talk is that number one, critical thinking is essential, not optional in the modern world. Number two, education teaches students how to think, but not just what to think. Number three, curiosity and creativity are powerful skills that should be nurtured from an early age. Number four, success in the future will require adaptability, emotional intelligence, and global awareness. Number five, education should help learners discover their why, not just follow fixed path. Number six, real education prepares individuals for life, leadership, and meaningful contribution, not for just jobs. So his core message which I learned by after listening his talk is that the education system must evolve to match the pace of the world. Number two, the children deserve an education that prepare them for uncertainty, change, and responsibility. And at the end, by rethinking how we teach, we can raise curious, capable, passionate, and purposeful global leaders. So, it is my review after seeing this TED talk. So thank you very much for giving your time. Thank you very much to the people who are watching me live, and I am also giving thank to the people who will watch this video in the recording session. I will come again with another TED talk, with another review, with another new thought and idea which I learned from the TED talk, and I will make review of that TED talk. Till then, take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.